Hold on, motherfucker. Hold on. So we got two-wheel drive short course trucks, little Traxxas slash. He's a little too happy. Do that shit over there in the field, not over here. And I got my ECX Torment over here. And my ECX Torment's basically stock, just with a brushless setup. His has like a bunch of Traxxas aftermarket parts on it. I think they're all still plastic ones, but they're like the upgraded plastics and shit, so. They're both pretty decent, they're both pretty fast, running 2S batteries. And we're gonna have some fun over here. Best way to start it out with a smoke show. Well, a dust cloud, but you know. He done already flipped the motherfucker, I think. Did you flip it or you just, oh nah, you just couldn't see it. All right, bring it over here. So look. You ain't even let me catch you trying to jump that bitch.
I didn't know I was gonna hit it.
It's actually can be a decent little jump, like right here. It's making the same sound mine was earlier. It might just be some dust or something caught up in there. Or a little tiny rock caught up in it. Mine was doing the same thing earlier, but then it stopped, so. Just keep running it, it'll be aight. Up. He about hit my ass. Well, I'll let mine roll out in the street, trying to not get hit. Oh, I think you actually broke some. Did you strip the spur gear? Were you landing on power right then?
No.
No. Oh no, I think you broke your drive shaft.
I did break the drive shaft.
Look.
That's what it was.
3 minutes. 3 minutes out here, he broke the freaking Traxxas.
I think I got some more in there that he gave me when I got this. That motherfucker.
Fucking killed it.
I didn't kill it.
I mean, yeah. You ended your run. That's for damn sure. We ain't even get a race out here with them.
I know. I gotta go play doctor.
I always have tools, but you better have a part.
I think I got some more parts in there. But I think it just came out. Because this one's starting to come out too.
Oh, you think it just came out?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Look. This one's starting to slide out too.
Oh. Well, I mean, they're made to be slider shafts. I mean, so it looked pretty. It looked okay over here. Hold on, let me see.
I ain't broke.
Oh yeah, no, you just gotta pop it back into place. There you go.
Ooh, I don't want to break it.
Hold on. There we go. I mean, you just definitely hit this jump so hard. Bounced it out. I thought it was totally broke.
I thought it was too.
I didn't really look too hard. So we got the drive shaft popped back into place, but there's like barely any travel in it. So jumping that thing, it is stressing, you know, it's just stretching the suspension just far enough to let that thing pop out of there. So there's your downfall of this Traxxas right there. Already a problem.
Example of this shit right here?
Oh, I always make an example out of Traxxas garbage.
I mean, you know. Hell, I didn't pay for it. I traded for it. So.
Well, yeah, and what you traded for, you originally bought for 20 bucks. So, I mean, was not a bad deal.
No, I traded something for $20 that I bought for 20 and got something for, what, $3.50? So
yeah.
pretty much I made a $330 profit.
You know, something like that, however much all them little Traxxas parts are worth.
Oh, yeah.
I know they're all overpriced. All right, watch out for the cat. Say that, he almost hit the cat and me. Ridiculous. Yeah, you might want to go lay down somewhere, pretty girl. He a little crazy. Little crazy driver. All right, so look. You gonna look?
Hey, it was gonna hold on more traction since you did that too.
It's probably just because the drive shaft's back in. I mean, it's gonna leave some marks. Shit, mine'll leave marks. So look, we need a race before you break it or something out here. So, oh no, in the dirt. So you see that little spot over there that's got like that little gravel right there? Yeah, right here where you just drove around. So that'll be the back end turn. Turn around this way, come all the way back. So on the down straight, we'll stay on this side of that pole.
So we ain't gonna go around the pole and come back?
Nah, well, because you know, then it's super short. And I want to do it the whole length over here. So we'll come up from this side where the machinery's at, come around that little gravel, and then we'll come all the way back, and first one back wins. So let's come over here and start this shit.
What's wrong with this? That's right. You said the controller.
Yeah, I actually got another one I can throw on it. I found where it's at.
Yeah, because it's
We just got to throw that on there.
You want to do it before we do this race?
Nah, it'll be alright.
It'll be alright.
It'll be alright. These things don't handle that well on, you know, shit anyway. Sorry. Come park over here. This tree will be the back end of the starting line. And we'll go all the way down there around. And we'll come back. Whoever wins, wins. So you might want to be on this side instead of that side so you don't hit yourself. Yeah. All right.
Ready?
Yeah, you call it.
Ready?
Yo.
Ready? Go. Oh, shit.
I'm laughing so much I rolled it on the... We gotta re-go on that. I didn't even catch him smacking the... It's a little dusty out here. Yeah, we'll swap it out once we go back in the house.
Yeah, it's not one though.
It'd be alright for a run. Alright, call it again. As soon as you're ready.
Alright, ready?
Yup. Oh shit. Oh shit. That motherfucker don't Just
I ain't
cruise.
even on the throttle all the way, and this motherfucker can't even got there stay enough.
I just did a flip back there. No, I'm gonna finish the race.
I'm playing over here in the mud.
Finish the race, damn it.
You hear me?
Yeah.
A little dust bubble right around.
Just a little bit. Oh yeah, that was nice.
Oh, on my side.
There you go.
No, I'm not.
So racing ain't working right now. We'll just fuck around and do.
That's why I wish I had mine was a little bit my EC thing, whatever you want to call it, was better because if it was, I'd be doing the same thing you're doing, but instead I'm going left, right, sideways. And...
Shit, this motherfucker kicks left and right on its own. Hell, even with a good receiver. I was trying to get mine back over here.
I want to see what's gonna happen.
What are you gonna do?
This motherfucker go straight and not go sideways.
Oh. Hold on, before you do the jump, let's be over there for the jump. It'll look better. And we can try to hit the jump at the same time. Full throttle. Damn! You were supposed to wait. We were supposed to hit the jump at the same time.
Well, I couldn't, damn it.
Well, bring it back up.
How the fuck did I do that? Damn, they got this 20-mile speed limit sign down right there.
That was the one that they put up over here just recently. All right, bring it back down here. Let's do a dual jump here.
Uh-oh.
Instead of donuts. Oh shit! I didn't. I couldn't. Mine actually gets too much traction.
Mine don't get enough.
To do donuts here, and I got the harder plastic tires. But that's. I'm trying to just let it break loose. She don't want to until I hit the brakes. You better watch out. You better watch out before you lose that quick fucking. And she flipped back over. All right, we gotta get a dual jump going. I mean,
He crawled that motherfucker. I ain't gonna lie. My baby just chasing that thing.
all right, bring that bitch over here. Cause this will be the nice little spot right here. They knocked down one of their own sticks. I know I didn't do this shit. I said they knocked down one of their own sticks. I didn't do it. Look, it's a marker. It's a marker for the jump now.
Oh, yeah, right.
All right, you ready for the jump?
You gotta be a whole lot farther back.
Shit, no, you don't neither.
Yeah, me, I'm going
You don't
back
need
there.
that. You're gonna break something.
Go.
Look,
You gonna bring this right there?
you hit that bitch hard enough, you are.
I'm not gonna break that, though.
Shit. You can get just as much air doing a just quick little jump on it. Oh shit. I think I caught that too.
I know I did. Did you just land on my shit?
Nah, I landed right behind you. Where you going?
I can't steer.
And you flipped that bitch over there, didn't you?
No, I didn't flip.
Oh. Come say something. Say something. Look. Yeah, he hit himself and I missed it.
I forgot where the smoke coming from. They think cars are out here.
Probably. Whoa, shit. And she's still going.
That was perfect.
That was nice.
That was perfect.
Ooh, I got a little turn there. All right, flip me over, motherfucker. Come tag my ass from the other side. Okay. You missed. How you missed that?
Hold on. I'm gonna do it.
Peppers. I kind of got a bad shot on that. Oh, damn! I might have got that. Look, mine's way over here. Oh shit, did I catch that? I was paying more attention to my driving. That was an accident. I was trying to beat you past. But I didn't want to go full throttle and spin out. Because full throttle, this motherfucker spins out like a motherfucker. Go shit, I rolled it. I caught that grass.
I'm all on top of your shit.
Look, demo derby with some short course trucks. Guess which one will win? Oh. Damn, you break the drive shaft off again. Oh no, you really fucked it. You really kind of fucked
I got some
up.
more of these in the house.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I got some more of these in the house. This came in a little box.
See, but that's still bad though. How's the fucking pin holding the axle on come off? Like, how's it not on there good enough?
I was trying to figure out what the fuck it was doing.
You know, for the ECX Torment even has a better system for holding it in than that. Shit. Like, bring it back down. Look at how shit that design is. It just kind of sits there.
Don't mind my
Traxxas versus ECX Torment. Okay, the Torment is honestly holds up a lot better in my opinion.
Stay tuned, we'll be right back. I have to fix
and they
this
both do have decent power systems if it'll focus on it.
This will run on 3S.
Yeah.
And they'll do weird.
Well, mine will run on 3S as well, but 3S gets real fucking squirrely.
Yeah, we need to go change these little things out and
you know, nice little 20-minute video. Oh, and a roll.
I bucketed my car.
Come on.
I'm finna
Nope.
babe, that them a picture of this shit.
And the ECX Torment wins the battle of the day. No breakages once again. I mean, I was out here driving it earlier and I stripped my spur gear.
Are you for real?
I mean, it's just plastic with a metal pinion. But because of the way the pinion sits on it, I just swapped the spur around and I got a second chance to use the spur before I got to actually replace it. And I'm sure it won't last too long, but I'm pretty sure it also stripped because I was hitting this jump and I landed.
No, I need to change out these tires too though, from the back to the front. Yep.
No, they're still good. Those tires are still good. They just even for being legitimate BFGs, they're kind of meh.
They're kind of mad.